in front of me is Sony Xperia 10.4 and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So at first just open the settings, then find and select About Phone, scroll all the way down and tap 7 times on build number to activate developer options. And now let's go back, open system, and here developer options appeared. Click to open, and here you will locate automatic system updates right here. To switch on this feature, just click on the switcher and that's it. As only the indicator is active, your updates will be applied automatically whenever device restarts. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.